Today I built this web page with Webflow. I was interested in this technology previously, but I never uh, got the time to check this out. Today I was like randomly just watched a YouTube video and then I just built this simple web page. Here you can see a navigation bar. Here Here is a shop button and some text. There is a logo and some cars, as you can see. So after building this page, so I discovered it's really simple and everyone can do that. As a beginner, you don't need to know coding for that, and that's pretty good deal, I think. And yeah, here is my thought on it. Uh, so you can see it's more like you can say is a graphic designing tool, more like Photoshop or Figma. So yeah, uh, here it's really simple uh, and too easy to learn it. Uh, Everyone can do that, I believe, and you also can do that. And you don't. The good thing is you don't need to know the coding because if I was going to build it with coding, then I would have need a lot of things which I don't need it in here. So it's really simple. So basically, it's like what we used to use. Like here, you can see like section, container, and B flags, S flags, deep. So most important thing we use like deep on every section. So with deep we divide, so it's really simple, and link blocks pattern, pretty much everything you will find it here, and image video, whatever you think of. So yeah, if anyone doesn't know about coding, then he can easily build a website with Webflow. So with a build, uh, I didn't need much time though, like maybe it took me like 20 or 30 minutes to build that kind of site. So imagine that you are doing it in coding. So yeah, I really recommend it. You can try it by yourself. For that, maybe you have to go to here, Webflow, flow. Here you'll find it here. So here is the site webflow.com, and maybe you will find it find a login page if you try to do it as a beginner. Yeah, and then you will easily uh, found something after login. Yeah, so yeah, a plus new site. So if I click it in here, I will get another page maybe to build another project, and I'm also discovering. So yeah, thank you so much for watching.